Right now, we're seeing a surprising sentiment score of -0.70 in the travel sector, which is significantly lower than usual. This drop isn't just noise. It indicates a notable shift in traveler emotions, perhaps influenced by recent global events or emerging travel restrictions. With our API, you can access this nuanced sentiment, complete with 20 semantic clusters that help you understand the specific areas causing concern. For example, if you're building a travel recommendation system, this data can help you pivot your offerings to align with current traveler sentiments, adjusting for negative perceptions in real time. Dive deeper into how to leverage this data for your applications by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get started today and turn sentiment insights into actionable strategies.